Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reacting something real satisfying and creative, a complete tiny house building process from start to finish. Let's start with videos. Oh, here is the video guys. Here is the video. Let's start. Oh, he's creating a floor guys. Oh, mixing a cement. Oh, so nice. Oh, so nice wall, making wall guys. What a nice wall. Oh, this stone is very, oh, he's making roof. Oh, nice. So nice. Oh my god, staircase. Oh my god, so nice, looking very good guys. Oh my god. Let's see guys, he's coloring. Oh my god, whitening color. Oh, he's clean up. Oh, green. Oh, windows and door also good. Oh, looking good. Let's start with another video guys. Oh, so nice, he's making also here. Oh, floor guys, this is the floor. Oh, I'm total shocked guys. Oh, look that stone guys. Oh, he attached door guys, like, oh, also windows. Oh, so nice, the video is going. Oh my god, crazy guys, so nice. Oh, look that wall. Oh, nice. Look that roof guys, rooftop area. Oh, looking good. Oh, so nice guys, so nice. Oh,